very, very proud of what this company's been able to do over the past years. We've taken a very good small company and made it an excellent larger company. You know, the fact that we were able to expand into the various markets, the fact that, you know, back in 2005 we supplied product to Canada and the US. Then by 2009 we were supplying products to as many countries as Germany, the UK, Australia. This small team of people was able to accomplish all of that. It makes me very, very proud.
In our industry, we are the best producers of printed seals in the world now. And we do all kinds of cool logos, from, you know, steel companies that have Arabic on them to, we've done Canadian Mint logos, different steel company logos. Yeah, it's been an exciting tour that way.
If you're looking to get your company name on a seal, we are the company that can do that for you. Whether that be a printed seal, whether that be embossed, whether that be die stamped, we can get your logo on a seal at relatively low cost and very high quality. Leicatex has got an exceptionally great team. We have a number of people who have been here for a lot of years, lots of experience. I think we average over 16 years on our production floor for the number of years they've been here. So that gives us a tremendous amount of ability to meet our customer demands. We have years when we've had 0 customer parts per million, meaning we didn't ship a single part to our customers that was out of specification. And we ship over 300 million pieces per year.
I've been through 3 owners. So the original owner, we did a lot of work getting that going. And then our second owner was Uwe Schorp. And he was able to take us to places that I just didn't ever think we'd be able to do. Before Uwe, I would have said Samuel was my #1 person that I wanted to own us. And so when Samuel came in, it was like just another thing that was great for us. And I think that Samuel took us to another level.